Well, it sure is an extremely cold start to the day so far. As we head out the door this morning, you're going to be looking at temperatures hitting you right in the face, around 14 below in Eau Claire and 8 below currently in Winona. Same can be said here too in La Crosse. And when you factor in the wind chills, it makes it feel much colder than that, anywhere between around 15 to 20 below zero. In fact, La Crosse is at 22 below zero for our feel-like temperature right now, and Viroqua pretty similar to that. In fact, a degree colder, 23 below is your feel-like. Wind chill advisories are in effect until 9 o'clock this morning, and that is because we still could be looking at wind chills at 35 below zero in many spots out there. So make sure to bundle up and stay warm out there if you're going to be outside. Wind chill alerts are in effect here all across the upper Midwest, really. These are mainly wind chill advisories, but there are some spots across portions of northern Minnesota that are currently under wind chill warnings. In fact, they're much colder than we are at currently right now across the area, but we're cold ourselves with wind chills anywhere between 15 to 20, if not again, some spots looking colder than that, which will continue through at least the 9 o'clock hour this morning. Now, as we head into the early afternoon, we start to warm up here a little bit. Some spots just below zero, but there are some spots here like Black River Falls and Sparta. You have the potential to be above zero here just a little bit before you drop below zero again for everybody. That's guaranteed as we head into 9 o'clock tonight. And then overnight tonight, it's going to get cold again. We're still looking at wind chills at least 5 to 10 below zero again. And then by the time we reach sunrise tomorrow, there's a silver lining. We got some warmer air masses moving in courtesy of that south to southwest wind motion, and that's going to allow our feel-like temperatures to be above zero, with even wind chill factors only expected to be into the 20s for tomorrow afternoon. But the way we stand right now with temperatures as you head outside, again, very cold. We're looking at 10 to 15 below zero this morning, and again, it does make it feel colder when you factor in the winds. -2 is what our temperature will be at noon today with cloudy skies. We'll still remain cloudy into the late afternoon hours today too, with temperatures around 8, mostly cloudy 6 degrees as we head into the early evening hours. And our highs today are only expected to be only into those single digits across all of the Coulee region. We are under the influence now of some clear skies, but we do have a wave of clouds back to the west, which is expected to move east and spread all across the area here as we head into those later afternoon hours today. As we head into tonight, overnight, we're looking at only a few clouds left over as the main wave of clouds here will be well to the east by that point. But there's some more cloudier skies developing back to the west here. So we're going to start off the morning with clear skies, followed by some cloudier weather moving in as we head into the afternoon hours yet again tomorrow. Now, if you're not a fan of cold weather, I'm happy to tell you that it's going to be pretty mild. Above average high temperatures are expected to take shape here as we head into not just this weekend, but also into next week. There's also a weak disturbance moving in on Monday. That could give us a slight chance of rain and snow here to work with. But look at that high on Monday, high of 40 degrees. We'll take that. It's going to feel like a heat wave for the most part for much of next week. And in fact, we could be around 41 degrees for Wednesday into Thursday. And speaking of the end of the week on Thursday, we could be looking at a wintry mix and maybe even a rain-snow mix lasting into Friday. We'll keep our eyes on that later next week.